Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to find all the values of x that satisfy this. So the first step we are going to take here is we transfer 150 to this side so that we have x to the power of 2 minus x to the power of 3 minus 150 equals 0. So we are going to break 150 based on the corresponding power of x squared and x cubed. And here is x to the power 2 minus x to the power of 3. So here is minus open bracket 25 plus 125 equals 0. So next we try to open the parentheses so that we have x to the power of 2 minus x to the power of 3 minus 25 minus 125 equals 0. So let's combine these together. Here we have x to the power of 2 minus. So when this is coming and we write it in exponent form, it is 5 to the power of 2. And also this and this, we have minus x to the power of 3. And here is minus 5 to the power of 3 equals 0. So by putting this in parentheses, we have it as x to the power of 2 minus 5 to the power of 2 in bracket. Also, by taking out negative, we have this as x to the power of 3 plus 5 to the power of 3 equals 0. So next, here is x squared minus 5 squared. We are going to consider from, suppose we have a squared minus b squared. The result for this one is given as a plus b open bracket a minus b. So we have x squared minus 5 squared, which gives this result. If x is a and b is our 5, we substitute it. Then we have x plus 5 open bracket x minus 5. Again, we have minus for x cube and 5 cube. If we have a to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 3, the result of this one also gives a plus b in bracket open bracket a to the power of 2 minus ab plus b squared. So we also apply this and we place it here, and we have our x is a and 5 is our b. So that is x plus 5 open bracket. So x squared is x squared minus 5x plus 5 squared is 25. Everything equals 0. So this is what we have for this. And looking at this and this, what is common is x plus 5. By factoring it out, we have x plus 5 in bracket. So when we divide this one by x plus 5, we are going to left with x minus 5. And similarly with this, we have negative open bracket. By dividing this one with x plus 5, we are left with x to the power of 2 minus 5x plus 25 in bracket equals 0. So here is x plus 5 open bracket x minus 5 minus, by opening this with negative, here is x squared plus 5x minus 25 equals 0. So if you are following to this stage, here is x plus 5 open bracket. If I start with negative x squared based on the highest power, I follow it with x plus 5x, that gives us plus 6x, then minus 5 and minus 25, that is minus 30 equals 0. So for the whole of this expression to be equals 0, we're going to let x plus 5 equals 0. So if x plus 5 equals 0, definitely we are going to have x equals minus 5, which is the first solution, and it is a real solution. Also, when we consider minus x to the power of 2 plus 6x minus 30 equals 0. So if I close the parenthesis for this and divide the whole of this result with negative, so that we have positive starting this equation, so we have x squared minus 6x plus 30 equals 0. Here is a quadratic equation, as we consider the quotient of x squared as a, which is 1, and b is minus 6, so c here is 30. Having this expression, we try to substitute it in this formula, which is x equals minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Here is what we are going to apply so that we get the value of x when we substitute. So here is x equals minus into bracket of minus 6 for the value of b plus or minus square root of, so we have minus 6 square minus 4 into bracket of 1 into bracket of 30 divided by 2 into bracket of 1. So having this, we have x equals 6 plus or minus, when minus multiply minus, square root of 6 square is 36 minus, when we multiply 4 and 30 together, so we are going to have it as 4 multiplied by, if I break 30 into product of 6 and 5 in the absence of calculator, so everything divided by 2. So what is common here is 6. We are going to factor out 6, and we have x equals 6 plus or minus the square root of, before factoring out that 6, so here is, okay, let's say we take out 6 here, we are left with 6, and here is minus 20 divided by 2. I hope you are following. So here is x equals 6 plus or minus the square root of 6 multiplied by the whole of this is minus 14, and we multiply it together with 6 divided by, so divide by 2, and when we try to re-express that one properly, so here is what we get, because at this parenthesis there is a negative which shows the complex value. So if this is what we have, then by dividing both sides by 2, so when we factor out 2, then we divide by 2, we get the value of x equals 3 plus or minus I root 21, and here is the result as a complex solution. Thanks for watching, and if you are new here to this channel and you find this video interesting, please do it to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.